Hey everybody, attorney Kyle Kaufman. I'm back with another video here at hkklawoffices.com. In this video, I am going to answer the question of what is the difference between legal separation and divorce in Wisconsin. We get that question a lot. Before I do that, I want to remind you to please leave any questions or comments below. Like and subscribe to this page. We want to know what you guys want to hear about so we can make more videos for you. All right, as promised, what's the difference between legal separation and divorce in Wisconsin? Now, we're practicing attorneys here in Wisconsin, so it's specific to our state. Divorce action ultimately ends in a divorce. It's a breakup of a marriage. Legal separation does not end in a divorce. You're legally separated. So that's the major difference, right? So you can be legally separated and have court orders in place affecting legal custody, child placement, financial matters concerning the children, financial matters concerning the husband and wife, including property and real estate and businesses and all sorts of stuff. And that's resolved in what we call a judgment of legal separation versus what would be a judgment of divorce, okay? So you have the law allows people to file for this legal separation, and the first question is the marriage irretrievably broken? If you answer yes to that, then it results in a divorce. If you answer the question, is the marriage broken but not irretrievably broken, then you're going to find yourself in a legal separation situation. So why would people want to be legally separated and not divorced, right? The common reasons for that are, number one, they're just not ready to say, I want to be divorced. They still believe that the marriage is not irretrievably broken, that perhaps there's matters that can be fixed through reconciliation. So at the same time, though, they may need legal protective orders concerning their children and their finances and things of that nature. So they filed a legal separation action, established separate homes, and finances and things of that nature. And they go about it that way, but they're not divorced. The other reason is for religious purposes. So there's some religions that don't allow, that don't really appreciate or recognize divorce, and so people are concerned about that. As we know, many people are married through the church and they make that commitment, and they don't want to take the steps for divorce, and they still want to be a member of their religion or respected in that religion. So that's a common reason for that as well. Another reason we see is for health insurance purposes. So if you're still married, a lot of times if one party is carrying health insurance, dental, vision on their plan through their employer, then that spouse who you're legally separated from can remain on that insurance plan, versus in a divorce situation where there's oftentimes no obligation from the employer to cover former spouses, okay? So those are the main reasons we see people filing for legal separation. You should know that in Wisconsin, if you file for legal separation, it can be converted to a divorce action while the case is pending. And even after you get the judgment of legal separation, 1 year after that, either party that was a party to that legal separation action can petition the court to have the matter converted for divorce by filing that with the court and having the court approve it and now granting you a divorce. I hope that was helpful, guys. That's the difference between legal separation and divorce. Similar, I should remind you, similar in the timing of it all, filing the action, giving notice to the other party, waiting 120 days to at least get your judgment of legal separation. So there's a lot of similarities. It's the end result that really is the difference, whether you're still married or not. All right, I hope that was helpful. Again, comment down below, leave questions, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching this video.